Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use BullX Neo. So first is, visit the BullX Neo on Telegram. Simply search on your Chrome, BullX Neo and click on the first link. And it will redirect you to Telegram. Next is, to set up your wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can basically import the private keys to BullX. But if you want, you can now also import a new wallets or generate more wallets. Next is to deposit funds. After you add your wallet, you need to deposit your funds. Click left on Wallet Manager, go to Solana and your wallets will be displayed on the left. Select your wallet to fund it. Next is to trade on BullX Neo. Trading with BullX is fairly simple. You can select a token where you will see the chart and more info like distribution. On the right side, you're able to trade or set a limit order to the token you might have bought. Next is in buying Solana tokens, where you normally would join some channels offering insight on live pairs or new tokens. BullX offers this on their website, meaning if you don't use Telegram, BullX has it all available on their platform. Lastly is selling your Solana tokens. In case you would like to sell your tokens, just visit BullX and with one click you can sell your complete bag or a percentage of your bag. Many more options are available with BullX. So basically, explore all of the available options. And that's basically it.